Yes, good morning children. In yesterday's class we learnt about the blends we have learnt and about the usage of full stop and capital letter. Today we are going to learn about the order words. You might be thinking what are these order words. So before we go into this to learn the new order words, for that I am going to show you something. Then I will be asking you the questions. You should answer the questions for me. Okay. Now everyone, no need to open your textbook. Just look here. Just look here. Everyone look here. Can you see the picture here? What happened in this picture? Here what is given? That night Anya went to the dragon with the keys. She took off his chains. Here about this picture what they are explaining? That night Anya went to the dragon with the keys. She took off his chains. That means here Anya went to the dragon because the dragon was chained. She removed the keys. Now tell me, which part of the sentence, which part of the story is that? Can you tell me? Before that what happened? Who was there? Where was the dragon? Where was it? Who came to the dragon? Why did she come to the dragon? What happened to the dragon? Who helped dragon to open the keys? So there are n number of questions in our mind. So to tell that, to begin that, you have to add some words to make it in a very systematic way, to make us understanding in a very easier way. We have to use this order words. We have to use order words. Now what are these order words? Order words are first, then, next, after that, finally. So what is the first one? First, then, next, after that, and finally. So here already we have learned the lesson. Already you know the story. So first what happened? First in the beginning of the story what happened? Can you tell me what happened in the beginning of the story? In the beginning of the story, yes, tell me. The dragon was alone in the palace. First the dragon was sitting alone in the palace. Then what happened? Dragon was so sad, it was sitting there. Then what happened? Who came to the dragon? Anya came to the. Then what? First we have used. Then Anya came to the dragon. Anya came to the dragon. Next what happened? What did Anya ask? Anya want to go for a ride. So Anya asked the dragon to take for a ride. Yes. After that what happened? Dragon was saying that no, I cannot come because I am being chained by the king. After that what happened? Anya went to his father's room. She took the keys and she opened the keys of the dragon. So after that what happened? Anya brought. We'll write brought brought the keys and freed the dragon. And freed the dragon. Freed the dragon. So finally what happened? Finally what happened? Finally, what happened when both Anya and the dragon, they were flying in the sky? Then what happened? When they were flying in the sky, what happened? The king saw them. And freed the dragon. And freed the dragon forever. And both Anya and dragon became good friends. Both Anya and the dragon became good friends. So here, if I show you any part of the picture and if I ask you, you will be puzzled to say what is about. Only about the picture you will be able to explain what has actually happened. So if you want to tell anything, it may be the story or it may be the preparation of the tea or preparation of the lemon juice. Any preparation, any story, any puzzle, anything, if you want to put it in a systematic way, you have to use this order words. So everything will be one after other will get and will get the complete message what you wish to say if you use these order words. Okay. Now in the same manner we are using the order words. Suppose in every story we are having beginning, we are having middle of the story, we are having and end of the story also we are having. Now if you see this, if I remove the numbers, here this order words I am removing. Order words also I am removing. Okay, ma? When you are watching the video, you take a pause here and then you should. I removed order words. Okay. Now, same story, it is divided into 3 parts. Any story, it is divided into 3 parts. First one is the beginning. Second one is the middle of the story. And the last one is the end of the story. Story is divided into 3 parts. First one is beginning. Second one is middle. Third one is end of the story. Story, either it can be used by writing the order words or it can be used by writing the order words. When we will use it, comes in the form of, mostly in the form of sentences. If the same thing, if we take in these parts like beginning, middle and end, we'll get paragraph we will get. Now here if you see the same thing, order words, I am writing beginning, middle and end I am writing. So what is the beginning of the story? The beginning of the story is the dragon was sitting alone in the palace. Anya came to the dragon and Anya asked the dragon to take for a ride. Anya brought the keys and freed the dragon. The king saw them and freed them the dragon forever. Both Anya and the dragon became good friends. This is the beginning, the starting part of the story, and the middle part of the story. From here we will take From here to here we'll take beginning. This is middle. And this is end of the story. Only thing, the difference between the order words and the beginning, middle and end of the story is, in order words sentence wise, step wise we will get. Even in the beginning, middle of the story also we'll have, in paragraphs we will get. Beginning means it is the starting of the story, what has happened, and middle means what has actually happened in the story. At the end, finally what happened, we should go it for the end of the story. Understood all of you? These both are, most of it they both are same, only thing is the wording is different. That's it. For your level this much is enough. When you go to third class and fourth class, I'll explain you in more detailed manner. Now all of you open your English workbooks, all of you. Page number 18, Nana. Page number 18 you open. Here you write down the date. Retelling a story in order. Retell the story in the correct order. The story begins when. First point, what did we write? Everything is on the board. Then what happened? Next what happened? After that, finally. Same it is there. How it is given from the on the board, the same thing you have to copy down if you wish to write for Anya and the Dragon story. If at all, if you want to make another story like the monkeys and the cap sellers, or a thirsty crow, the lion and the mouse story, any story you can take. It need not be the Anya and the Dragon story. For example, I have told you, if you want to make, you can take any story you have to make, you can take and you have to write down using this order words. Next, coming to the next one. Beginning, middle and end. I was telling you, just one how to take beginning of the story, middle of the story and end of the story. Here the same thing they are asking now. What happens in the beginning of the story? Whatever I wrote there, the dragon was sitting alone in the palace. That picture you should write down here and write down the sentence. What happens in the middle of the story? What happens? Anya came to the dragon. She brought keys to free the dragon. And what happens in the end of the story? The king saw them and he freed dragon forever. Anya and the dragon became very happy. These pictures you have to draw and write the sentences. Understood all of you? Do well, write neatly, and you have to do it properly, because already we have done this earlier. If you are not done, at that time you might not be having the books. Now all of you are having the workbooks. You open them, do it properly. Okay, ma? Thank you, Nana.